Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today we are going to shed some light on a topic that you may need to understand as you navigate the journey of starting and managing a business. We are focusing on the Articles of Dissolution in the context of Nebraska business law. But before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Now, while starting a business is an exciting venture, it's important to understand all stages of a business lifecycle, including dissolution, which basically means ending the legal existence of your business. Think of it like knowing the exit before entering a building. It's just good planning. In Nebraska, when you want to dissolve your corporation, you need to file what are known as the Articles of Dissolution. This document is vital in ensuring you meet all legal requirements and obligations. It's like the final chapter in your corporation's story. But what exactly are the Articles of Dissolution? They're a legal document filed with the Nebraska Secretary of State to formally end the existence of a corporation. This process safeguards the interests of all involved parties, from shareholders to creditors. The Articles of Dissolution must contain specific details such as the name of the corporation, the date of incorporation, the reason for dissolution. A statement indicating the dissolution has been approved by all necessary parties. According to a study 2021, approximately 20% of businesses fail in their first year, and by the end of the fifth year, nearly 50% of businesses have closed their doors. While this might sound daunting, being prepared for all possible scenarios helps ensure you're able to navigate these waters with grace and efficiency. It's interesting to note that in Nebraska, according to the Secretary of State's annual report in 2022, around 7% of registered businesses filed for dissolution. While this is slightly lower than the national average, it underlines the importance of understanding the dissolution process. Once the articles are approved by the Secretary of State, it's not quite the end. The company is required to settle all its liabilities, distribute remaining assets among the shareholders, and notify all creditors, giving them the chance to claim what's owed to them. Now remember, it's not all doom and gloom. Understanding the Articles of Dissolution isn't only about preparing for the worst. It's also about ensuring that, should you ever decide to close your business or move in a different direction, you're well equipped to handle the transition in a way that's respectful to all parties involved and compliant with state law. If you want to learn more information on this subject, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the Articles of Dissolution in Nebraska? Does the basis for the articles seem simple or complex? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.